Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be unboxing the Delta box. My box did come a little late, and that is understandable because of the snowstorms that did affect the states, especially the southern states, but it did come. And I'm so excited, and I just want to share my excitement with you. But before we move on, I do want to say welcome again. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I do upload videos every Sunday. So enough with the rambling. So let's go ahead and start the video. But I do want to show you my outfit of the day. All right, so here is my outfit of the day. And yes, I am representing my sorority. So I want you to take a close look of this this shirt. 32 flavors, Alpha Upsilon Spring 1992. Can you see it? Well, yes, that was my that was our line name. It was 32 of us, Alpha Upsilon of Lemoyne on College, and yes, it was the spring of 1992. I'm not giving my age, am I? But I'm not going to tell you. But this shirt was made, I'm thinking when we hit 20 years in the sorority, or it wasn't 25, it has to be 20. But we had this shirt made, and I love it, and I can still wear this shirt because I've been in the sorority for 26 years, 26 or 27 years. A long time. I love my sorority. So I have on some Levi jeans, and I have on some red and black tennis. I don't know the name of them. They're not Skechers. They're somewhat in the family of the Skechers. Very, very comfortable. So this is my outfit. Oh, let me tell you about my jewelry. Just some silver bangles, and I have and I have on my Michael Kors watch. I have a silver necklace, and it goes with the little beady beads that goes around the elephant. Isn't she gorgeous? I know. And I have on some silver earrings. And that is my outfit that I will be wearing. And let's get going with the unboxing, shall we? Oh, okay, so. All right, so here's my box. And we have a visitor. Say hello, Bella. Hi. Girl. Alright, so this is how it comes in the mail. It comes to U.S. Postal Service. It has Delta Box Diva Delivery. Alright, so again, I haven't opened it. This is my first time opening. Again, I just love anything that I receive in the mail, and it's packaged so nice. It means that what's inside is gonna be on point. So this is the box, so let's go ahead and open it up. Science. I'm excited. It has a symbol, the sorority symbol. Say it loud. I'm black and I'm proud. Okay. All right, so that is the card, the first thing that you see. Of course, you do have another card that if the size, the clothing is just too big, too small, you do have the option of sending it back. I'm also on the box that, if I haven't showed you previously, it does say, Dear Delta Sorors, and it is a message from our president. It also has little symbols of where you can, what you can do to show how much you love through social media your package. So let's go ahead and go on with the unboxing. I am so loving it. Oh, look, some more. I got some more pens. And you guys, I'm going to show you what I do with my pens. Some more Black and I'm Proud pens. So I will most definitely be using these. What is two? Okay, so I'm gonna put this down and let's see what this is. If I can open it. Bella, you wanna help me open? You wanna help me? You wanna help Mama? It looks like it's a shawl. What is it? Oh my gosh. Black History Month. Oh my goodness. February is gone. Why didn't I get this in February? Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. All right, so this is how it looks. And my Delta box is a medium. Oh my gosh. Let me go a little closer so you can see the details on it. Oh my goodness. And look at the sleeves. Whoever put this together, oh my gosh, I just love it. Oh, and I just love the patterns, how the black, and then you got Delta going right. I'm gonna turn this over so you can see it more. This is beautiful. And how it covers the back end. I love it. Now, I can still wear this. I can see myself wearing some black slacks. Okay. You see it? In a black turtleneck. Not a turtleneck, it's too hot for that. You know what I'm trying to say. A black something up under here. Let me flip you over. All right, so can you see it? Oh my gosh. Look, see how Delta is right here. It's also on this side. And the detail of this. Oh my gosh. And again, I'm gonna let you see the sleeves. Oh, I didn't notice it in the Delta letters are also on the sleeve. Let's go to the next items that's in the box. Okay. Go to the next item. I'm excited to see what's in here. You want to see it, boo boo? Mama's baby want to see it. All right, so let's see what this is. Now, this. Let me see. It is the same pattern, but it's, what is this? Oh my God! It is a scarf. I mean, how would you do it? Like, well, I'm gonna tell you this. I love this. Guys are the bomb. The .com bomb. All right, guys. So this is what I wanted to show you. My husband did purchase this for me, and I love it. Look at the cushion. It's very soft. I just love the details, the pattern. And then look, just an elephant. Look at it. I call her my darling diva. So this was at Ross. Not sure how much it was, but if you do have a Ross in your area and you are would be interested, I would suggest that you go to Ross, because once they are gone, they are gone. So this is one of my holders that I put all of my pens in. If you can see, these are just some of my pens. I have been using them, and I've placed them on several of my backpacks that I do travel with. So here's one of the backpacks that I do want to show you. This is a Samantha Brown backpack, and if you can see where I have placed my pins. Now this backpack has only 3, but I do have other backpacks that have a lot of pins to it. Another great way to represent the sisterhood when you are traveling, you are carrying your pins with you if you decide that you do not don't want to wear them on a coat or a jacket. So another great suggestion. Again, like I said, I use my pins very faithfully. Again, thank you so much for staying to the end. And if you have stayed to the end, what are you waiting on? Just go ahead and subscribe. I do upload videos, like I said before, every Sunday. And also follow me on Instagram. I do upload every other day. Again, I'm always going to say you are beautiful from your head all the way down to your toes. And you are loved. You're loved by me, but most of all, you are loved by God. I want you to stay beautiful. And until the next video, bye-bye.